Hello and welcome to Miss Hannah Loves Grammar. In this video we'll be answering the question, what is an interjection? And we'll be sharing how it can be used. So an interjection is part of speech and it's a way of showing an emotion or feeling as a writer or a speaker. Often after an interjection an exclamation mark is used. Bear in mind that exclamation marks are used to show strong emotion. So, we know that an exclamation mark is emotional, and we also know that there are a range of different kinds of interjection that you could have, ranging from all kinds of emotions. When we're talking about interjections that show strong emotion, it could involve words like alas, meaning that something's so sad, wow, indicating surprise, and ouch, indicating something that's painful or hurting. But interjections can also be introduced to inform someone in the conversation or in writing of your opinion within a sentence. So for example, yes, I agree. No, I believe. Indeed. Or well. Please. All of these have a slightly different tone, with yes and no being concrete, that means clear-cut, positive or negative. Indeed is you agreeing with someone. Well is you considering what you think, being thoughtful, and please is urging someone to agree with you. Now it's your turn. For each of the 5 sentences and statements I have for you, what I want you to identify is where the interjection is and if the exclamation mark adds more depth of the emotional response, if there is an interjection in this sentence or statement. Hit pause if you need thinking time. Yes, I know that. Yes, there is an interjection in the form of the word yes. It sounds like this person is a bit frustrated from the interjection they've used. Yes, I know that. Alas, there are no more. Alas is an interjection. But it's clear that this person is feeling sad. Ouch, that hurt. In this sentence there are 2 exclamation marks, which we could argue is too many. But ouch is signifying pain, and then that hurt is signifying once again, through its own interjection, that that really hurt. So sometimes we use an interjection to quickly share how we feel, and then we need more words to explain more around that feeling. Let's take number 4. Indeed, so true. This sounds like something you could hear another person say on the street. It doesn't sound like something you would write down. When I say indeed and so true, I am confirming I agree with you wholeheartedly. And finally, if somebody were to say, well done you, well done is the interjection there. And what it's suggesting is that they are really proud of you. So the major thing to realise about interjections is they are a great way of signalling to a reader or somebody you're speaking to what you feel quite quickly. They're quite dramatic ways of sharing your view, and they're quite quick ways of offering your thoughts on an issue or idea. Bear in mind that overusing interjections can sometimes, especially with words like ouch and alas, make you seem quite informal or strange. So it's much more proactive and positive of you to use interjections that reflect a more sophisticated and formal style if you were to try and write an argument piece, let's say. My suggestion though is that you should use interjections that mirror how you feel, so that whoever is reading or speaking to you, or reading your work rather, is fully aware of exactly what you think. Why not subscribe to Miss Hannah Loves Grammar for all things English, literary and grammatical?